How to make an alcohol and rosemary treatment for cellulite. Cellulite is a common condition that occurs when soft tissues become inflamed, either by problems with circulation or the lymphatic system. It is characterized by the formation of small nodules of fat under the surface of the skin that look like dimples or the skin of an orange. More than 90% of the female population develops this problem thanks to constant hormonal changes, being overweight, or not getting enough exercise. While it also affects men, women suffer from it the most, regardless of their weight. So far, there is no exact cause that can explain its appearance, and treatment is difficult, although it's been shown that the continued use of bad habits will have a lot to do with it. Fortunately, there are many cosmetic products and therapies that aim to fight cellulite and leave your skin looking firm and smooth. The problem with these products is that they're expensive and not available to everyone who wants to use them. The good news is that there are 100 natural, inexpensive treatments that have excellent results when used on a regular basis. This is the case of the popular alcohol and rosemary treatment, a product whose topical use can significantly reduce the problems of cellulite. Today we want to share its properties with you and give you a simple recipe to try at home. Take notes. Why use this alcohol and rosemary treatment? Rosemary alcohol is one of the best ways to absorb the properties of this herb through the skin. Its benefits can be attributed to its powerful anti-inflammatory action that improves circulation, fights fluid retention, and reduces inflammation of tissues. It's also considered to be a natural toner, helping to keep skin firm and prevent sagging. Because of these important properties, women have used rosemary in their beauty routines for some time now to reduce the appearance of cellulite. Before you decide to apply it, however, we need to make it clear that it's not a miracle product. While this alcohol rosemary treatment has been shown to have many benefits when it comes to cellulite, you shouldn't expect it to completely eradicate your problem areas regardless of your other habits. This means that to fight this problem, you need to improve your diet, get plenty of exercise, and take on other good habits that promote fat loss. Alcohol rosemary treatment recipe. Because of its many therapeutic applications, rosemary alcohol is available in commercial preparations at pharmacies and health food stores. We recommend a homemade solution, however, to ensure that it's 100% organic. Ingredients: 5 sprigs of fresh rosemary, including leaves and flowers. 3/4 cup of rubbing alcohol, 150 milliliters. 1 airtight glass bottle. Preparation: chop the fresh rosemary into small pieces and place them in the glass bottle. Add the ethyl alcohol until it completely covers the rosemary. Close the glass bottle tightly and store it in a dark place for 15 days. After this time, use a clean cloth to filter the alcohol from the rosemary. How to use it. The first thing you need to do is exfoliate the skin around the area you wish to treat to improve its absorption capacity. After this step, dry the region. Dip a cotton cloth in the rosemary alcohol, and rub it into the skin using a gentle massage. Be sure to use upward motions. Start from the knee area and move up toward the thighs and hips. Focus on the backs of the legs, just below the buttocks, which is where cellulite occurs most often. Let the alcohol rosemary treatment absorb for 15 minutes before rinsing with cold water. For best results, follow your treatment with a firming cream. Repeat this application every day, focusing on your problem areas. Note that these effects aren't immediate and will only be achieved if you're consistent. Try to be patient and follow all of our recommendations to start seeing results. Buy all your ingredients at your local herbal store and make this recipe at home to get the most benefit.